Hey guys, welcome back. We're currently here in Poblacion, Makati. This is our actual site for our new project, which is at my back, the Mergent Residences. This is Alveo's first residential project here in Poblacion, Makati. So this is near with parks and malls like Century Mall, Rockwell, the Makati CBD, and of course BGC. So malapit to in everything. Okay guys, I'll tour you with our project, so stay tuned, okay? Okay guys, let me share with you briefly about Mergent Residences and bakit pwede siya maging magandang investment for you as a young professional or an investor. If you're a young professional guy, malapit to sa lahat. There is Century Mall beside, there's Rockwell CBD, you have the Makati CBD, and of course the BGC. Also, kung gusto mo naman ng something exclusive, it's a high-rise condominium na napakaganda ng mga finishes. 14 floors siya, and 10 units per floor only. So for an Alveo project, this is a really low dense living. And then also guys, ito din yung unang project ni Alveo na condo that is allowed Airbnb. So kung gusto mo ipa-rental, overnight lang, magandang mag-possession dito with Mergent Residences. We have studio to 2-bedroom. And mabilis ang inventory guys, so we only have a few units left. So if you'd like to receive a sample computation, just hit a message. Hey guys, thank you for watching. I'm Eddie, your real estate guy, and if you do enjoy this kind of contents, please like and subscribe. If you also want to schedule a viewing or request a sample computation, you can see or message here on my social platforms. Thank you for watching guys, and see you on the next one. Bye!